Hello friends, how are you all doing? Today, we're going to share a very interesting secret. For those of you who want more tips, just write in the comments section, okay? Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's get straight into the discussion. 7 simple makeup steps for beginners Gen Z style. Hey newbies! Want to slay your makeup game without the hassle? Here's a super easy 7-step routine to get that fresh, glowing look, no filter needed. Let's go. 1. Skincare first, bestie. Before makeup, prep your skin so your base looks smooth and flawless. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser, toner to balance your skin's pH, moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated, a must. Sunscreen to protect from UV rays, no exceptions. Skincare first, makeup second, glow is the priority. 2. Base makeup foundation or BB cream. Pick a foundation or BB cream that matches your skin tone. Use fingers or a sponge beauty blender to blend it evenly. Pro tip, don't overdo it, less is more. Cakey makeup? Nah, we want that skin-like finish. 3. Concealer for those dark circles. Brighten up under eyes and cover blemishes with a concealer. 1- the shades lighter. Tap with fingers or sponge under eyes and problem areas. Blend well to avoid patches. Bye-bye tired eyes. Hello brightness. 4. Set it with powder. Lock your makeup in place with translucent or compact powder. Use a brush or sponge for a light layer. Focus on the T-zone, forehead, nose, chin to control shine. No shine, just vibes. 5. Eyebrows on fleek. Brows frame your face, so don't skip this step. Fill them in with a brow pencil or pomade. Match your natural brow color. Keep it natural, no blocky brows, please. Brush with a spoolie for a soft finish. Brows done. Confidence unlocked. 6. Eyeshadow and eyeliner for that drama. Neutral eyeshadow, browns, nudes is beginner friendly. Opally a light shade all over, then a darker shade on the outer corner. Thin eyeliner to define your eyes. Pencil liner is easiest for newbies. Small eyes, eyeliner's got your back. 7. Blush and lips for that fresh glow. Blush on cheeks for a healthy flush. Go for pink or peach. Lipstick or lip tint in natural shades, nude, pink, or coral. Rosy cheeks plus juicy lips equals instant glow up. 8. Setting spray for all day wear. A quick spritz of setting spray keeps your makeup from melting, and you're done. Now you're ready for that IG selfie or a day out. Remember, confidence is the best makeup. Makeup is art, your face is the canvas. Have fun with it. For those of you who want more tips, just write in the comments section, okay? That's all for now. See you in the next interesting tips. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye for now.